naming this molecule right here. The first thing that I almost always do is I like to get rid of the H's just so I can only see the carbons. I know what's going on. Okay, so let's just see how many carbons I have in a row. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a row here. Okay, off of this second carbon, I have a carbon coming down. And off of the fourth carbon, I have 2 carbons coming down. So that's going to help me out, at least in my brain it helps me because it's a little simpler. The next thing it says I have to do is I have to find the longest possible chain. So you want to start counting out and seeing what's the longest way I can make a chain. If I go this way, I have 1, 2, 3. If I go this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like the longest, well, let's try backwards. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it looks like the longest I'm going to get is 6. So that is called my parent chain. So we're going to look up 6 and see what that parent chain would be. Is this the same one? Yeah, it's slightly different. Yeah, it's slightly different. It's very similar to the example we did. Yeah, thanks. Hexane is my parent chain. Okay, once I've named the parent chain, now I need to start numbering it. And I'm going to start numbering it so that my branches come at my lowest numbers. Okay, so if I were to start here, 1, 2, 3, my first chain happens at 3 and 5. If I start over here, I'm going to get my chains coming off at 2 and 4. So this is going to be the way that I number it. Okay. Now that I've numbered it, I'm going to name these branches. So this is a 1 carbon branch. Because it's a 1 carbon branch, what do we call that? A methyl. Excellent. Okay. Here we have a 2 carbon branch coming off. A 2 carbon, what is that called? Ethyl. Very good. Okay. We don't have 2 methyls or 3 methyls, so we don't need to worry about prefixes. But we do put these in alphabetical order when we go to name it. So what comes first, ethyl or methyl alphabetically? Ethyl. So this is going to be a place where kids often make mistakes. Ethyl's going to come first. So we're going to name this 4-ethyl. Where did that 4 come from? That's its branch. So we put a dash in between the number and the letter, or the number and the word. And then we would say it's another dash. We would say 2, because that's where this guy is, and it's methyl hexane. Yes, dash hexane. Thank you.